Guys, oh, aking bagong walay. Noong November 27 lang guys. Third batch. Ayan yung nauna guys. Yung first at second batch. Ayan third batch ko guys. Oh, malaki na yan guys. Ito ang pang fourth batch guys. Oh, ayan oh. Ayan, kapuputi. Kahapon ko na to guys na walay. Tsaka nasa dulo guys. Gayon din. Kung kailan lang ito, kabilis eh. Oh. Bilis lumaki. Lumaki aking mga biko.